It's kind of drizzling outside. Hope it stopped because I'm actually taking these two products to one of my rent houses and I need to install these outside. It's just kind of drizzling. I mean, I think it might stop. Hey Siri, is it going to rain today?
Yes, I think we'll see some rain for today.
So it's no surprise that I absolutely love LEDs. I mean, I have LEDs everywhere. In my house, every single socket has LEDs, no matter what. The outside lights, the garage light, even that little light that's up there, the corn LED, even these tube lights, they look like traditional tube lights, but they're actually LED tube lights. Everything's LED in my household. I just think it's a cleaner bulb. And of course, it uses a lot less electricity than traditional bulbs, but provide the same or even better lighting in terms of lumens, intensity, whatever you want to call it. However, I'm also a big, huge fan of solar power. I already know when Tesla brings their solar roof to my area, I will be getting it. I love solar power. I'm gonna have the solar power walls, you know, the battery packs on the wall, and I just can't wait for that. But in the meantime, when you combine solar power with LEDs, it's awesome. Just an awesome feeling. Let's check out what these products are about. Hey guys, Go here, making more videos again. And today we have two products that came in the mail, and they happen to do with solar power and also LEDs, aka electricity straight from the sun. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so they're sitting right here on my vehicle. Let me turn this camera around. There we have it. Now you have a better look at these two devices. They both essentially do the same exact thing. You guys have seen on my previous videos, I've done solar power LEDs before. They're both motion activated solar lights. I love these things. The reason why I got these is because I want to put this in one of my rent houses on the side of the house. It just looks awesome. It looks attractive. And also technically it's free electricity since it's just powered by the sun, and it's a set it and forget it kind of device. Okay, once you set it on the wall, you don't have to do anything. It turns on automatically when someone is in the area. It's just an awesome device. I love these things so much. Now these two are like the updated versions for the ones I've done in the past. The solar panels are better, the battery life is better, quality is better, everything's just better with these two. Okay, so they're like the updated versions. So let me show you the first one real quick. Let me open this bad boy up. So this one's the first one right here. I wanted this one because it's a longer like profile basically, and so it's gonna give more light. However, the reason why I also got the 4 version is because I don't want too much lighting on the side of the wall. You know what I mean? I wanted like this much is decent amount of light for the side of the wall. I don't want too much lighting. If it's too much light, it just gets too bright. And this, I'm gonna put it somewhere else where it's gonna be a little bit more alone. So that's why I got the longer one for the alone, and I got these 4 smaller ones for the wall. You get a remote right here with 3 different settings. You have some screws and also some anchors. Oh, let me just pop this guy out here. Guidance holes, the literature, and last but not least, let's actually open this bad boy. Ooh, no way. Oh my gosh. All right, this is absolutely beautiful. I mean, I'm looking at the camera because I keep wanting to see this thing. All right, so all of this is aluminum. Nice updated solar panels up here, nice LEDs on the bottom right here, ton of LEDs, enough lighting. I promise you, this thing is gonna get bright. Like, let me actually turn it on right here. Oh my goodness, that is insanely bright. Oh my gosh. So there, let me just hold on, hang on. Let me just turn it off. Okay, so there are a few different types of modes to this bad boy. I mean, the first one obviously is the one that I'm gonna use, and the rest are different modes. The reason why I'm gonna use the first one is because whenever someone comes in the path of this sensor, it will basically turn up bright 100%, and then whenever the person leaves, it will wait for about 5 seconds, and then it will dim back to the original dim light. Basically, the dim light is great because you don't want it 100% bright all times. I just don't want that because I already know with the brightness of this, I've tested these type of things before. This is a newer model too. I know it's gonna be just way too bright, so I'd rather have it dim. When someone walks by, it gets bright 100% basically. So that's what I want. Already looking beautiful. I mean, it's a simple product, guys. I mean, I can't really even say anything else about it. If you want specifications and details for both of these guys, the links are gonna be in the description below. They'll tell you specifications, lumens, and all that kind of stuff, reviews. Look at other people's reviews and stuff. Like I said, the links are gonna be in the description below. This thing is awesome. Now let's check out the second one. All right, we got some screws right here, some literature. Oh, and this is what I like also. Oh, look at this. And then you obviously have 4 of these smaller LED solar power lights. Now this is what I want for the wall, basically, you know what I mean? I'm gonna have 4 of these, so it's gonna be plenty brightness. I don't want it extremely too bright. However, when I wanna walk down that pathway at night, I wanna make sure there's, you know, enough decent light, and this will definitely do the trick, okay? So I'm liking this. Has a solar panel on top, very rugged, strong design, had tons of great reviews, that's why I got this. Has a nice little angle when you place it on the wall to make sure that the sensor is pointing down at you. It's looking beautiful, guys, looking beautiful. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this pin right here and turn it on real quick. Here we go. Okay, it needs to be dark. Oh, that is plenty brightness for a small size like this, guys. That's what I want. I don't want too bright because these things can get, like I said, really, really bright, and I just don't want to disturb neighbors and stuff. So this is perfect brightness when I have 4 of them on the wall. Very nice. I'm gonna turn this off. There we go. Now this one comes with 4 of them in the pack. I mean, there's 4 of these bad boys in this box. Here's 2 of them in here as well. 1, 2, and then the other 2 right here. Alrighty, guys. So now we've seen both of them even turned on. Now we're gonna actually place these on the wall. That's the easy part, you know, installing these guys on your wall. There's screw holes right here. I mean, just screw it in and you're done. And then we want to see how they work at night. So we're gonna go over there, get these on the wall, and test it out at night and see how well they actually look. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alrighty, guys, this is a quick shot of how I've installed it. You can see here's one right here, and if I slide down, here's the second one on this house right here. You can see it right there. It's really, really nice, uniform. And then the third one is right here. You can see it. And then the last but not least, the 4th one is right here. And this should eliminate this entire walkway right here. Another thing I gotta tell you guys about these LEDs right here is the fact that it only took like 30 minutes or so to install them, because I mean, it's so easy to install. I just put it up there, no wiring, nothing. It should eliminate all this darkness over here. So without further ado, let it get dark and let's see how it looks. Let's get to it. Alrighty, guys, I'm out here right now. I'm a little bit quiet because, you know, it's nighttime right now. I don't want to disturb anyone out here. And as you can see, it is so dark out there. It is ridiculously dark in there. You can't see anything. I mean, the camera is actually doing justice, guys. It's super dark out there. However, let me just start walking in that direction of the darkness, and let's see what happens. So here we go. We're walking. Oh, here goes another one. Look at that. Beautiful. There's another one. Boom. Look at that. And then finally, the last one. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this walkway, guys. It is bright now. It's so freaking bright. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, these things are doing the job. Look at that. Look at the 4 of them, guys. Absolutely beautiful. They are seriously doing the job, doing it really well, and it's so bright out here. And then finally, like, I also have these lights right here. Amazing. I mean, I just love, you know, I love LEDs and I love solar power. Look at this. It's so bright over here. It's ridiculous. Look at this. Look at this. It was so dark before, and look at that. It's still dark now because they turned off, but then once they turn on, it's absolutely beautiful. Let me just walk down here real quick. Look at this. Bam. Easy. I'm not even doing anything. I don't have to plug it in anywhere. They're just on the wall, just, you know, stuck up on the wall right there, screwed in. Let me just walk down here. Let me turn around. Look at this, guys. At first it was so dark, but now so bright. And then the best part, it turns off in a couple of seconds, and I'll show you how dark it'll get when it starts turning off. Look at this though. Look at that. 1's turned off, 2, 3, and 4. And look at that. It's so dark. Absolutely beautiful. If I'm walking down this dark alleyway though, I want to make sure there's some type of lighting that I can walk down here and not have to worry about stepping in anything, and just have some type of lighting, you know what I mean? It's super dark over here, but now with this, it's extremely bright, and I absolutely love it, guys. Beautiful. Let me just do it one more time. Let me walk down here again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that. Links are in the description below, guys. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, seriously, they're just amazing bulbs, guys. I just love it. It's so bright over here now. Look at this. Have to say, absolutely beautiful. I'm absolutely loving this. And then the lights are going to turn off. Everything's going to go back to nice and dark out here, and you're good to go. Absolutely beautiful. Let me show you the other bulb also real quick. I just want to show you how it looks. And here, guys, is the other light. Let me look how bright it is. I mean, this words cannot describe, guys, how beautiful these LEDs are. Solar power LEDs are just the best. I mean, you don't, you know, you just plug it in and then you're done. You don't even have to play. That's the thing. You plug it in and you're done. It's a set it and forget it kind of device. And look how bright it is. I mean, words, I mean, I can't even describe, like, seriously how amazed I am with these bulbs, guys. Look at the output. Insane. And it has a dim mode, and you know, it's gonna get dim, you know, at night. This spot right here, it is dark, like super dark, but because of this, it's actually really bright. I mean, the light output is ridiculous. I'm just gonna stop moving for a second and show you the dim mode. And that is the dim mode. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. I'm trying to not move like really fast because it does have a motion sensor, but look at the dim mode. I love the dim mode because it doesn't disturb anyone, you know, at night and stuff. And also it conserves battery, it saves battery. But then when you have it bright, you better best believe that it's gonna do its job when you need it. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Like I said, words really can't describe these products that I have. I'm so happy I got them. Now, you know, it's a one-time payment. You set it and you're done, pretty much. You know what I mean? It's not like you have to pay electricity for this and you have to change it and whatever. You don't have to do anything. Just have it in the sun and you're done. That's what I love about it. Links to both of these things are going to be in the description below. Absolutely awesome. And look at the reviews, look at the prices, and pick what you want. You guys already saw the other ones down the walkway, absolutely bright from a dark area. So like I said, guys, these lights are absolutely beautiful and I'm loving them, and I know you will love it. Alrighty, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase both of those LEDs are going to be in the description section of the video below. They look really awesome. They both have great reviews, and the price is not too bad for like a set it and forget it kind of bulb that you just leave it and you're done. You don't have to worry about wiring. It's very much plug and play, and it's a tremendously simple design. You guys already know me. I love stuff that you just, you know, set it, forget it, plug and play kind of stuff. You know, you put these LED bulbs in your garage, in your house, you set it and forget it. I've not changed any of these bulbs out due to the fact that they are LEDs, and they, as long as they're good quality LEDs, they never go out. I've not had to change any LED bulbs due to that fact, and those were solar power LEDs. That just makes everything so much better. Like I said, links to everything are going to be in the description below. Make sure you hit that bell button next to the notification to get notified when my videos come out, but there should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure you click on for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, KLEANTRIX here saying thanks for watching and peace.